Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Endj-Diy 10-inch Android 12 tablet. It comes in this sleek white box. Let's open it up. Inside we have the tablet itself, a charging cable, a wall adapter, and a quick start guide. First impressions? The tablet feels light and compact, really easy to hold. Looking at the design, it's slim with a modern look. Minimal bezels and a clean back panel. The buttons feel sturdy and the placement is comfortable. I'd give the design 4 out of 5 stars. It looks nice for the price and feels solid in hand. Let's power it on. Android 12 boots up smoothly. It comes with Google Play Store pre-installed, which is convenient. Connecting to Wi-Fi is fast, and the setup is straightforward. So far, navigation through the menus is responsive. I'd rate the speed and interface at 3.5 out of 5 stars for casual. Use. Basic apps run fine. Now let's check the display. It has a 10-inch HD IPS screen, which is bright and shows colors vividly. Viewing angles are good, and the touchscreen is responsive to taps and swipes. For media or browsing, this screen does the job. I'd give the touchscreen 4 out of 5 stars. Opening YouTube and playing a video. The video loads quickly and the image quality is clear. Let's test the audio by playing some music. The speakers are loud enough for casual listening, though bass is light. Overall, media playback gets 3.5 out of 5 stars. Next, the cameras. The tablet has a front and rear camera. The front camera works well for video calls, and the rear camera is okay for snapshots, though don't expect professional quality. Camera performance gets 3 out of 5 stars. So that's a quick first look at the Endj-Diy 10-inch tablet. For $55.99, it's a solid choice for casual browsing, media, and light apps. Compact design, responsive display, and basic functionality make it a good value.